Okay, I got my little tabletop washing machine from Temu. I was able to build it really easily. You just popped it open and that thing sets right there and the lid snapped in. It was super easy to figure out without reading the instructions, which by the way make zero sense if you try to read them, so don't worry. The only helpful thing I got out of reading the instructions was not to use water above 60 degrees. So I put mostly cold water. I just used a bucket and poured it in. So there's it has a drain thing. It's kind of like an ice chest, you know. It seems to be maybe leaking a little bit. Hopefully I spilled that. I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, I'm gonna give it my first try. Got my new rags from Temu. I don't know if they'll even really fit in there. It's okay. Anyway, see how this just kind of fits? Just kind of sets on there. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 2 minutes. Interesting. Maybe I have to close the lid. Shit. And it's not turning on at all. Why? Oh, it did something. It did it. Ah, haha. Can you peek? Ah, that's so cool. What? Did it stop because I lifted the lid? I don't know. Hey. Oh, that's funny. I love it. So they sell this product. I've seen it ranging from $5 to $50. So try not to pay $30, $40, $50 for it if you can. Just keep watching the price and grab it when it's cheap. I got mine the other day for $9.72 because I was willing to get purple instead of green. Honestly, I wanted the purple one anyway. So yes, it is leaking all over my counter. That's funky. Let's put the drain hole towards the sink. Hopefully it should be okay. Let me see if I can get this hooked in harder. What's the problem? I don't know, it seems to be leaking out right here, not right here where it drains. This part's not wet, it's wet down here. See? More drops of water getting on my finger every time I touch it. I wonder if that's because I have too much water in there? Well, obviously that thing totally fell off. I guess it doesn't matter. I mean, it's still... What happens if I just don't even have that in there? Then what? Yeah, that seems better. I don't know why you would want that little basket in there falling off. It's pretty cool. Okay, it really isn't going to take 10 minutes to wash these rags. Let's see if we can stop it early. Cool, I like how it has a handle so you can turn it around. What? Is there a suction on the bottom? So how fast is the water leaking out of it anyway? There you go. You see the first drip? Every few seconds, a couple drips. Anyway. Cool. It turns off. Alright. So, let's drain it out. Ha! Yeah, just like an ice chest. Neat. And then I hang dry all these rags anyway. I didn't put soap in it for the first time. These are just brand new rags anyway, so I just wanted to test out the item. So it seems to me like you don't need that basket, and it definitely, the water is definitely dirty now. So it worked. It cleans things. I wonder if I can run it without water, like spin cycle style, to get these more dry before I hang them up. Let's give it a shot. Oh, weird. I guess tilting it doesn't help it drain faster. It drains straight down to the bottom. Interesting. Okay, well, that's drained enough for me to put this back. Okay, got it in place. Oops. Okay. Got the plug plugged back in. See how much water dripped there just in that short amount of time I had it before I flipped it around? Okay. Let's see. Long press for 2 seconds to start or stop. Weird. Cool. So yeah. There you go. It's got a little spin cycle. It's got a little spin cycle. Ah! That is so cool. I think it's... Whoa. Yeah, I don't know. Shit. Okay, I got it back on. Okay, try again. So I think even though I just put a few rags in there, it's definitely too much weight for this thing. And obviously you should just use it for like underwear. But how cool is that? Oh yeah, bras too. Just make sure they don't get tangled up down there. Super cool. Oh, now I get it. Oh. Interesting. Oh. How do you turn it off? Okay, got it. Cool. I got this thing all figured out now, and so do you.